Water was running low. We had to reach the depot before dark, or we wouldn't make it.
Paint is dull, damaged, and scratched.
As you can see, this engine bay is incredibly greasy and has been seriously neglected.
The wheels and tires, worn and cracked, tell a story of abandonment. The engine seized up long ago.
We need to vacuum this old, damaged interior thoroughly. See how the suction pulls everything out of the cracks.
Look at the difference already on this upholstery.
Yeah, that shampoo is really getting the dirt out.
Next, we apply the detailing spray directly to the dash and console. Using a microfiber towel, wipe away the grime to reveal the restored finish underneath.
This is the toughest part yet. This grime has been here for years, but the cleaner is finally lifting it off the panel. The key is consistent pressure, especially on these deep rust spots, to restore the chrome trim. Now we're applying the high-pressure rinse, watching the thick foam and years of dirt just melt away from the surface. Now this is the satisfying part, using the high-pressure rinse to absolutely blast away all that built-up dirt and grime from the wheel arch.
After the initial soak, we apply the degreaser and scrub. Rinse it clean, then use the polish to get this brilliant shine.
We start by generously spraying the lubricant onto the paint. Then, using the clay bar, we glide it smoothly across.
The goal is to maximize the gloss and clarity. See how the reflections sharpen as we buff the surface.
We're inspecting this fender for repairs. I'm feeling for scratches and dents that need addressing before we start the paint process.
We're going to sand and fill these minor paint imperfections, making sure the surface is perfectly level before the next step.
Ostensental. Apply fresh wax for protection and gloss.
Spray the engine cleaner directly onto the components. Let it sit for a moment, then carefully wipe away the grime using a soft microfiber cloth.
Start with the chrome valve covers, then move to the alternator. This polishing brings back that showroom shine every time. First, we use the ratchet to release the tension on the serpentine belt so we can easily slip it off the pulleys. Inspect suspension and brakes for damage.
Start by removing the caliper bolts with your ratchet. Once the old rotor is off, slide the new one on, install the pads, and reinstall the caliper.
A few solid taps to release the rotor. Then, using a clean microfiber cloth, work the polish into the chrome trim and badge using overlapping circular motions. As you can see, the compound is breaking down that yellowed layer. Keep the polisher moving smoothly over the lens until it looks crystal clear like new. We stopped buffing to address these rust spots. Applying the anti-rust solution now. Watch as the formula activates, turning purple as it treats the corrosion.
After treating the rust, we take the new weather stripping, peel the adhesive backing, and carefully press it into place along the door frame for a secure seal.
To lubricate the door hinges and locks, I'm using a high-quality white lithium grease for long-lasting protection. First, lubricate the door latch thoroughly. Then, carefully align the seat brackets and push down firmly until it locks securely into place. And now for the final vacuum, ensuring the interior is completely clean around the newly installed seat tracks. We'll start by thoroughly cleaning the steering wheel with a soft brush, ensuring we get into the stitching. Then we move down to the gear shifter for a final wipe.
We initiate the diagnostic check to determine tire pressure and condition. The system confirms optimal status at 35 psi.
Our new system installs and restores the body trims automatically, ensuring a flawless finish every time.
The relentless pursuit of perfection, flawlessly executed. The new BMW 4 Series.
Systems check active. Engine and drivetrain performance at peak efficiency. Diagnostics complete.
Before optimization, the drive was exhilarating. After the scan completes, the results are simply unmatched. From the harsh reality of the road to an immaculate showroom finish. This is the ultimate clean.